The first step is to select a pre-existing course and then go to the Commons button in the Canvas main navigation on the left. Once you're in the Commons, search for YC CopyPaste pages and select. Then select the Import Download button and select the class that this content will go into. And then select Import into Course. Navigate back to the dashboard and the course. Select Modules, and you'll see a new module with 2 templated pages that you can use to copy and paste. To copy and paste a page, simply select Edit, select the line directly before the page, all the way down to just after the page. Then copy. Click Edit on the page you'd like to edit. Move the content down 1 line. Place your cursor on the first line and paste. Your content will be below the page that was pasted. Then cut your content from below and then select the location where you would like to paste the content in the template page. Make any modifications necessary. The course button is simply a hyperlink. You can select it and choose the page that you would like to point it towards. Then save. You've quickly created a home page with a functional button that takes your user to the Modules section. To modify pages, or assignments, or quizzes, simply choose the other template option. Select the page by selecting the line just before till the line after, and copy. Navigate to the page you would like to apply the design to. Select Edit. Push the content down 1 line, and placing the cursor on the first line, paste. You can then cut your content from below and paste it on the page. Any titles can be placed in the title tag. Delete any extra spaces and save. You've just modified a page, placing your own content in it. If we look in Student View, we can see what a student would see. By using this method, it is possible to redesign a course rather quickly, so give it a try.